Oris watches, a distinguished Swiss brand, embodying craftsmanship and innovation since 1904. Renowned for their commitment to mechanical excellence, Oris timepieces are known for their precision and robust design. From the iconic Divers 65 collection to the Artelier series, Oris offers a range of watches for every style. Each Oris watch is a testament to their dedication to quality, reflecting the brand's passion for traditional watchmaking and contemporary aesthetics. All the links to the watches you'll find in the description below. Number 9. Oris Payoon Limited Edition 2022. A captivating tribute to Thai culture and traditional craftsmanship. This timepiece showcases a stunning 41mm bronze case, aging gracefully and creating a unique patina over time, embodying the essence of cultural richness. The mesmerizing green gradient dial, inspired by the lush Thai jungles, is adorned with gold-plated hands and indices, exuding a sense of elegance and heritage. The intricate engraving on the case back depicts the Payoon, a mythical Thai creature, adding an artistic touch. Powered by the Oris Calibre 401 automatic movement, it ensures precise timekeeping and a commendable power reserve. This limited edition piece comes with a brown leather strap, fusing tradition and contemporary design, making the Oris Payoon Limited Edition 2022 a collector's gem for those appreciating craftsmanship and cultural significance. Number 8. Oris ProPilot X Calibre 400-2022. A true embodiment of innovation and contemporary horology. This timepiece is a marvel of engineering, showcasing a titanium case with a robust 44mm diameter, reflecting the essence of a modern pilot's watch. The bold skeletonized dial offers a mesmerizing view of the intricate Calibre 400 automatic movement, with a 5-day power reserve and anti-magnetic properties. The red accents on the dial and the matching textile strap pay homage to aviation aesthetics, adding a dash of sportiness. Water-resistant and equipped with a sapphire crystal, this watch effortlessly combines form and function, making the Oris ProPilot X Calibre 400-2022 a standout choice for enthusiasts seeking cutting-edge design and uncompromising performance. Number 7. Oris ProPilot X Kermit Edition 2023. A tribute to both aeronautics and the allure of the deep seas. This striking timepiece is housed in a 44mm stainless steel case, embodying the robustness of aviation instruments. The green dial, reminiscent of the iconic Kermit color, is accented with bold superluminova indices and hands, ensuring excellent legibility even in challenging conditions. The unidirectional rotating bezel features a ceramic insert, adding a touch of sophistication. Powered by the Calibre 115, a non-linear power reserve movement, it provides 10 days of power, a remarkable feat in the horological world. The black textile strap with a stainless steel folding clasp ensures a comfortable and secure fit. The Oris ProPilot X Kermit Edition 2023 is a fusion of aviation and dive aesthetics, making it a must-have for adventure enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 6. Oris Carysfort Reef Limited Edition Watch. A symbol of marine conservation and horological artistry. This exceptional timepiece pays homage to the Carysfort Reef, a vital part of the ocean ecosystem. The 43.5mm stainless steel case showcases a captivating gradient blue dial, resembling the ocean's depths, adorned with polished silver tone hands and indices. The signature Aquis design, coupled with a ceramic bezel insert, ensures durability and underwater visibility. Powered by the Oris Calibre 743 automatic movement, it delivers precise timekeeping and a practical date function. With a water resistance of up to 300 meters, this limited edition watch not only celebrates the beauty of the sea, but also contributes to its preservation, making the Oris Carysfort Reef a meaningful and exquisite choice for environmentally conscious watch enthusiasts. Number 5. Oris the ProPilot Altimeter 2023. A groundbreaking fusion of pilot functionality and innovative design. This exceptional timepiece takes aviation watches to new heights with its integrated mechanical altimeter. The 42mm stainless steel case exudes strength and durability, while the black dial, adorned with bold Arabic numerals and superluminova indices, guarantees optimal legibility during flight. The altimeter, nestled within the outer ring of the dial, allows pilots to track altitude changes accurately. Powered by the reliable Oris Calibre 581 automatic movement, this watch ensures precision and performance in the skies. Presented with a brown textile strap, it exemplifies the epitome of function and style, making the Oris ProPilot Altimeter 2023 a must-have for pilots and aviation enthusiasts seeking a tool watch that goes above and beyond. Number 4. Oris Big Crown Pointer Date 80th Anniversary Men's Watch. A timeless tribute to an iconic design. Celebrating 8 decades of horological excellence, this timepiece features a 40mm stainless steel case, reminiscent of the original Big Crown design from the 1930s. The distinctive oversized crown and fluted bezel add a vintage touch. The silver dial showcases elegant blue hour markers and hands, offering a classic aesthetic, while the red-tipped central seconds hand and date pointer enhance functionality. Powered by the Oris Calibre 754 automatic movement, it promises precise timekeeping and a convenient date function. Paired with a brown leather strap, this limited edition timepiece is in homage to Oris heritage and craftsmanship, making it a cherished accessory for aficionados of both timeless design and watchmaking excellence. Number 3. Oris Aquis Limited Edition Lake Baikal. A tribute to the mesmerizing depths of the world's deepest lake. The 43.5mm stainless steel case, symbolizing the rugged beauty of Lake Baikal, houses a stunning gradient blue dial mirroring the lake's changing hues. The wave-like pattern pays homage to its rippling surface. The striking red accents and superluminova coated hands and indices ensure excellent readability in any light. The unidirectional rotating bezel with a ceramic insert adds both style and functionality for diving enthusiasts. Powered by the Oris Calibre 733 automatic movement, this watch offers precise timekeeping and a date function. With a water resistance of 300 meters, this limited edition is more than just a watch. It's a celebration of Lake Baikal's natural wonder and a tribute to the spirit of exploration. Number 2. Oris Aquis Date Relief Gray Dial Watch. A fusion of style and substance. The 43.5mm stainless steel case exudes strength and elegance, designed to withstand the rigors of underwater exploration. The stunning gray relief dial, reminiscent of ocean waves, catches the light beautifully, complemented by luminous indices and hands for optimal visibility. The unidirectional rotating bezel and bold markers emphasize its functionality and diving capabilities. Powered by the Oris Calibre 733 automatic movement, it ensures precise timekeeping and a convenient date display at the 6 o'clock position. Paired with a stainless steel bracelet, this watch is a perfect blend of design and utility, making it a versatile choice for those seeking both a sophisticated timepiece and a reliable diving companion. Number 1. Oris Hölstein Edition 2022. A horological gem paying homage to the Swiss watchmaking heritage and Oris' hometown, Hölstein. The 42mm stainless steel case exudes timeless elegance, embodying a perfect balance of size and style. The stunning sunburst green dial captivates with its vibrant hue, embellished with polished silver tone hands and indices. The date window at 6 o'clock adds practicality to the design. Powered by the Oris Calibre 401 automatic movement, this watch guarantees precision and a commendable power reserve. Fitted with a brown leather strap, the Oris Hölstein Edition 2022 blends tradition with modern sophistication, making it a cherished choice for both watch aficionados and